Okay. So, now we're in the Bahamas. Look at that water.
Hey,
It's so pretty. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
we are unpacking. Our room is so cute. Got a little, I don't know.
Oh, we probably should have done a room tour before.
I know. Yeah, you know, we're unpacking.
Once it's clean, then we get a room
Yeah,
tour.
yeah, yeah. Then you get a room for later. But Katie's about to go jump in the ocean. She's so excited. I'm antsy to unpack.
Unpack 'cause she wants to move in.
I like to move in, you know? Like, this is a situation. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh.
The ocean is sparkling.
Eee! Okay, it's your time to
go.
shine.
Hello.
Let's go. There she goes. She's been waiting for this moment all day.
Can I live here, please? Please, please, please. Rachel's back there. Say hello. Yeah, vibes are great. Day one has been a success. We just got here. It's like 1 o'clock, I think. So I'm gonna tan. Rachel's unpacking. I just went for a dip. It was really nice. Happy first video from this channel, and yeah, I'm very excited and grateful to be here. And I love this resort. I mean, it is just unreal. I don't know what we're gonna do exactly. We haven't planned any excursions yet, but I really want to go jet skiing. Hey vlog, I'm about to call Rachel over because she's in the house. But I got the salad. I got a Caesar salad. It looks divine. It has some plastic wrap over it, so it might look a little funny. And Rachel got buffalo wings grilled, which I think I will try next time. Hello, Mr. Ray. Hello. I am dressed and ready. I'm gonna go for a swim now. But this is my view. I'm gonna do a sunset swim and snorkel. I only have like 20 minutes, so I need to be quick. Here is a beautiful room tour. Rachel cleaned it up all nice and spiffy. And, ow, I just fell. Yeah, closet space, me, the refrigerator, and here is the bathroom, and here is the outdoor shower, which I'm so looking forward to after my swim. I'm so ready to get in the water. I'm quite antsy. Okay, guys. Okay, logging off for the day because the sun is gone. But I did see 2 stingrays, but I didn't have the GoPro with me. It's my first time using the GoPro. Hey vlog, Rachel's sleepy.
I'm so sleepy.
But I'm jet lagged. I'm on the California time. But I have not slept well the past 2 nights because I had a red eye last night. Then I flew here today. And then the day before that, oh yeah, last night I threw up profusely. Yeah, so I didn't sleep the past 2 nights. But I'm okay now. And then I was in Germany like 7 days ago. Now we're in the Bahamas. Anyways, I ordered grouper. What'd you order?
I got spicy tuna and
Coconut shrimp. Yummy!
You're not ready for that.
I'm excited. Seems like a really local place.
It's so flipping American.
We have some visitors. Oh my gosh.
I'm just texting my mom.
This is the fish of the day. It's grouper. And apparently the cat's on it, so Super fatty. Perfect amount of seasoning. Lots of herbs. This is some avocado rice.
I definitely want to try that.
Needs salt.
You need salt.
Nothing special.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Nothing going on.
Like lemon and salt.
I want the coconuts. Any fallen coconuts? This is a really big. Listen to all that juice.
Just be careful because like I've seen it roll back.
From what?
The bacteria and the coconut that is in there too long.
What?
Yes, that's why like when you told me you found a random one in Miami, I was like freaking out.
Yeah, I had a random coconut in Miami and I just drank it.
That's not okay. That's okay. That's brown. You see it?
Yeah.
Just like grab it. I'll help you.
Today we're going on the jet ski. Hello everyone. I'm so excited.
They're coming. They were kissing. Okay, come here.
Oh my gosh, he's trying to get my toes. He's trying to get my toes. Stop it, Billy.
Ready? They're gonna come now. I'm gonna give you this one. You gotta feed him.
I'm not ready.
I'm gonna give you this one. You gotta hold it and feed him, alright? You gotta get it and feed him. Get him before he gets it. See, they're gonna come. Yay, she's feeding it.
She get it?
You got it. Yay.
Who's brave enough?
Yeah, she's brave. Everybody come to swim with the fishes.
Nom 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 nom.
Good
Great game. I hope you win.
Yo, eat it. Dab.
I stepped on a rock.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh. Ow.
I stepped on.
Good to go.
Now I'm on the sandbar where you can walk a little, but it's high tide. So normally you can walk all on this. That's the crew. So beautiful. Yeah, I think this is the highest point here. The sand feels like quicksand almost. It's like Indian slowly. This is really cool. I love the Bahamas. Zuma is a special place. The water's just a little chitty.
So crazy, guys. Yes, in the middle of the boat. Okay, that'll work. There's Katie doing cocking out. Bro. That's crazy. There we go. Got it. Yay! Oh.
Not a wet shot.
I'll try it. Oh gosh.
Full throttle right now.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Hey vlog, we're about to bust down.
Bust down, Tatiana. I can't do it like that. Ciao. Hey! Love you more than my hometown. Love you more. Shout out Birmingham. Shout out Bahamas.
Shout out 38. So now we're gonna do a dance party. Jumping over. The pool is so nice. Do you wanna jump in?
Are we doing it?
Yeah, jump in! Jump in!
Wait, what if it's cold?
Bruh. I think it is. It's been in the sun all day. No, it's
Oh.
totally fine. Hop in. Wait, why are you doing it anime? Oh. Ash bomb!
Ow. Hurt in the morning.
Ow.
Got hurt really bad. I just stepped really bad.
Wow. Simply stunning.
Good morning. This is day 3 now. Day 3. And we're about to head to breakfast. I'm trying to take out my French braid, but I was on the jet ski yesterday, so it got really messed up. I think I got it now. I wanted it to be like pretty beach waves, but it's kind of. Today, what are we doing? Spa day? Spa, pool, beach day? I don't know. Yesterday we rode for like 5.5 hours on the jet skis. Not in total. We stopped at a few places. Our tour guide was really fun. His name was CJ, and CJ was showing us all the places. Today, I need to lather up on sunscreen. Got a little burnt. I'm giving Rachel a facial. Rachel, how do you feel after your facial?
Like a new person.
But we may still get professional facials. But double spa day. Smile! This is our brekkie. Got eggs with jam and bread, and I think these are little dollars of whipped cream, and avocado, and Rachel got the same exact thing. And then we got these turmeric juices.
So good.
Yes!
Good morning.
This is our view.
What about you?
We are at the Coconut Club. Rachel got a hot dog and a wrap.
It was weird.
And then I got steak quesadilla. It's yummy.
Salsa.
Mango salsa, 10 out of 10. Got some water, coconut water. This is our view. Yellow's my favorite color, so I love this place. I'm excited to go on the inflatables because y'all, it's hot. And the wind is not blowing that much. I'm like, but it's so nice to be hot. It's so nice to be sweaty for once.
True.
Yeah.
Who's the real Wing fan?
Hello vlog. We are taking sunset pictures now. We are fighting the wind. Not too bad. Sunset is gorgeous. And so is Rachel. So yeah, enjoy watching us. Okay, not to be weird about feet, but I love these little anklets I have. I like this little shell one. I think it's so sweet. I love jewelry. This dress is from Revolve, I think. And then these earrings are from a boutique in Manly, Australia. We're trying our best, but if hair is getting stuck in the lip gloss and then ripping it off every time.
Nothing's worse than hair in the eyes, though.
Dripping down the face. And it's also like
Your dress
humid.
is majestic, though.
Yeah, my dress. I do like my dress. Her dress is slay. It just is not the right size. It's a little
Giving from B.
a little big, but it's okay. Ooh,
What?
it's lighting. Ooh. What's up? What up? What up? We're walking to dinner now. I love our pictures we took.
I hope the dinner is so good.
I hope it's a busing. Now we're walking to dinner. And we have no shoes on, but it's fine.
I feel like I'm intruding in someone's house.
I know. Meow. Hi. Hello. Yes. Aesthetic. My homie. Oh, yeah. Lobster pasta, side salad, grouper with veggies.
That's all lobster, right?
Try that. Yeah, give a review for us.
That's kind of big.
This is such a good song. Num, 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 num. Good?
So good.
Yay! I'm excited for mine. Cheers! Yes. How is it? Really good? And this bread is so good. Deconstructed mango cheesecake. Cheese! Let's test this bad boy. What's up, party people? We just got back from dinner. I'm in my robe now. And I will wash my face and brush my teeth, and then I'll go to bed. Rachel's in the bed snug as a bug in a rug. So yeah, it's 9 p.m. I think she will sleep earlier than me because I'm jet lagged. But yeah, we had a great time. I had grouper, it was really good. So unreal here. Breakfast, yay.